Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Previously I talked a lot about pivot tables and I will continue that. So in my previous video we have added a chart, and in this chart it is very descriptive. How do you make it more dynamic? Well, you have the option to go to Analyst and you can add some slicer, for example category, sales channel, and VAT, and manufacturer country. Let's see what they are. You need to put them nicely. Next to each other. They are called slicer, but for me actually they are just nice filters that you can use for your table. For example, now instead of going into my data set and then having to create formulas or needing to filter here, I want to see the turnover and the sum of costs for ABC selling. Then the chart is automatically updated. Is it not cool? You can unfilter and then I want to see only banana. Then I see only banana in this big chart. Then I want to see VAT, different VAT categories. Thank you very much for your attention. That was about slicers. See you soon. Bye.